I'm speaking to you like men speak to you, and now we're upset.
All right, ma'am, come on. I'm gonna escort you back to the
I'm not going.
main terminal.
I'm not going.
So you're not gonna go?
No. Absolutely not. I will film it, and you can take me wherever you want. Okay, I'm not going. I'm not going anywhere. I paid for my ticket. I'd like to go home. I don't give a shit. I paid for my ticket. I'm a man. I want to go home. I paid for two. No, we're not going anywhere. No, we're not going.
Come on, we're gonna go to the main terminal. Come on.
No, we're not doing it.
We'll talk to somebody over there. Come on.
No, talk about what?
Let's go.
What are we talking about, though? Okay, what are we talking about, though? Ma'am, you have to stay here with me and witness this. What are we talking about? What did I do?
You needed to, like...
I wanted to go home. I wanted to go on my plane home. Please stay with me, because this is going to be my only witness. I wanted and have paid for 2 plane tickets.
Okay, but you just refunded
to leave. I don't care about a refund.
Stop using obscenities. Okay?
Would you care about a refund when someone questioned your masculinity?
Okay.
Would someone care about that? Would you say, oh, well, I'm a dude now.
What's your name? Come on, Tiffany, let's go.
I know my name.
Tiffany, come on, let's go.
Absolutely not. I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving.
You're not even going to Tiffany. Okay? Because you don't listen. Don't ever put your hands on me.
Am I going to jail? Because I bought 2 plane tickets.
Hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Keep recording. Keep recording. This is going to be really fun when you realize. This is going to be really fun when you realize.
Can I have a cage car here, please?
Did I fuck you?
I'm going to have a 10-15 here.
To anybody, baby, you're gonna be my witness. Did I with someone? Did I do something? Was I obnoxious? I just asked questions.
Case number is going to be 23-159-534, again 159.
I'm not selling. I'm not. I don't have a gun, and I'm handcuffed. And I'm gonna handcuff him.
That's for you, cage card. Go accommodate.
I did nothing.
Available with a cage card.
You're my witness.
72.
Baby, I love you.
Yes. 71, please.
No, you.
Okay, good.
No, I know. I'm a huge criminal. Thank God you got a perp. Thank God you got a big perp. I have a big dick too, bitch. You want to see it?
Okay, good. Go accommodate you with a cage card.
For real? I'm just trying to leave the city. I paid for 2 plane tickets. Yeah, there's nothing. Duh.
280 Alpha.
Duh. And I'm losing him. You cocksucker.
How far are you
I'm
available?
losing him. Losing him, you cocksucker. I'm not guilty of shit. No. People, white people, black people, brown people are allowed to hear what happens in an airport.
Steve,
Let me out of gate 71.
I'm not going anywhere.
can you open this up for me and bring her?
I'm not
They're
going
right here. I gotta bring her downstairs.
Tango,
Just bring the
I would give you
the suitcase for me, please. Come on.
A heated exchange at an airport check-in counter quickly spirals out of control. Watch as a woman's refusal to leave leads to a physical struggle with officers and a chaotic arrest that ends with the unexpected deployment of a fire extinguisher.
No! You! I want my bag! And I want my bag, dude!
Yeah, we're bringing your bag with you. Come on, let's go.
Off!
Sweetie, can you come up to the bridge for me, please? I got your bag right here, miss. Come on. Stand up.
Honey, I'm a lawyer.
Stand up.
You never let someone take you to another position. You're gonna really regret this when I get home, sweetheart. I'm playful. You're really gonna regret this decision though. You need to let these off. I'm not a problem, dude.
Come on, stand up.
I've never been a problem. Let me off. Let these off.
Alright, you gotta stop. You have to
Stop
stop.
what? Stop what?
We're ready, we're gonna stand up.
Come on, stand up. Put your shoes on.
Put your shoes on. Alright?
Officer 9, could you have the age of passenger for our...
About 40.
About 40.
Yeah, I know how to do that, sweetheart.
Let's walk.
Oh my god, really? Actually, this will be excellent.
You tell our to come to the transfer level. I didn't ask for it.
What did I say to you other than... What did I say to you? No! What did
I just needed help just bringing her down. She's just laid down on me. Coming?
Well, of course I'm gonna lay down. I'm a lawyer. Of course I'm No!
We don't want you
No, we don't need our...
No! Go first! You go first!
Come on. Walk down. You got that Bible?
You know what? I'm so mad at all of you boys. I was a sheriff in southern Minnesota for so many years and everybody hates me. I was law enforcement for a long fucking time in here. I didn't kick you.
I said do not kick. I didn't say do not kick me, okay?
I didn't pat her down because I don't have...
Pat me down.
Take that out.
Dude, there's not a gun. There's
Squall
nothing.
comes, okay?
There's nothing.
Let me just check real quick, ma'am. I want to make sure there's no
I
weapons.
just want to go
Stand
on
still.
my plane. I just want to go to my plane.
Got it. Thank you. Just put a front, ma'am. Have a seat in the back. You look like you don't have any weapons on you. Go ahead, sit down.
Have a seat.
Watch your head. Head first. You're going in, ma'am.
I want a lawyer. I'm not getting in the car.
Watch your head.
I'm not getting in the car.
Stop resisting. Put your feet in the car.
I'm not getting in the car until my lawyer is here. I'm not getting in the car until my lawyer is here. You know what?
Alright, I'm gonna get in.
Where's my bag? Where's my
It's over here. Relax. You're acting like a child. Stop it.
You're acting like a child.
Come through. Hello. Yeah, so just to check her out. She's intoxicated, and there was a altercation with her and the officer. Officer was battered, and so just want you to look at both of them, just so that way you can give us the okay. That's it. Ma'am, hold on.
You have no PC.
Hold on, ma'am. Stay in the car. Hey, we're not gonna do this. Just give me a second, okay? This is the airport rescue and firemen, okay?
I understand.
All right, they're
I
gonna.
also have a law enforcement degree. I'm also an attorney. I do understand what's happening, and I'm a little frustrated.
Are you in any need of medical, ma'am?
No. No.
Do you need them to
I'm
look at
drunk.
you?
Just like you guys get drunk. I'm drunk.
I got it. You're drunk. Okay. Is there anything else?
No.
Okay. Well, I guess she doesn't need you to look at her. This is the officer. Stay in the car, ma'am. Stay in the car, ma'am. Stay in the car, ma'am.
All right. Come and check, boys.
All right.
You know, I used to and teach. I used to train for Mankato State in law enforcement. And y'all are doing a good job, but you missed the wrong thing. I lost my shit because the flight was late. And I know no way.
So you don't need any medical. You're good. Okay.
I'm fine. I've always been fine.
He's good. As long as you came, and we're good.
Cups on me.
Appreciate you guys. All right. Ma'am, get back in the. Put your feet back in the car, please.
No. I want to
Stop resisting, ma'am. Stop resisting.
It's not resisting.
You are. I'm giving you a lawful command to put your feet back in the vehicle, okay?
Yeah, I hear you.
Do you understand what's going on?
Because I'm
We are not going to fight.
a law enforcement degree.
We are not going to fight, ma'am.
I'm not absconding with you. I'm not with you. Having my legs out of a car.
Come on. Thank you, ma'am.
Isn't it?
Thanks, guys.
I followed up further on her case and found out that she was charged with disorderly intoxication and resisting arrest without violence.
Do you think that was justified? What are your thoughts? If I think, comment below.